Hello Taron lovers. How you guys doing? This is an update, right? So I made this bag. I gave my new apprentice to fix the zip head. You can see how she's struggling to do it. This is just, she started 3 days ago. So don't worry, as she progresses in her learning, I'm going to be showing you. So if you're still doubting what we are doing here at Taron Innovative World, don't doubt. In the next few months, you see what she'll be able to do. So I made this bag. You can see her face. I'm trying to. You see what she'll do later. So if you are in Jos, or maybe you're in anywhere in Nigeria and you would like to enroll for our class, our bag making class, why not call or WhatsApp 080-365-88365. Here at Taron Innovative World, we change lives. Yes, for the better. We'll give you what will give you money, what you keep eating for the rest of your life. So Taron Innovative World is a home of creativity and exploit. We make different types of bags. We make souvenir bags, we make lunch bags, school bags, we make offering envelopes, we make fashion handbags and purses, we make makeup bags, we make jewelry bags, we make laptop bags, we make different fashion bags, fashion purses for guys and for ladies. Okay, so we are also into bridal accessories. We make bouquets, we make hand fans, engagement veils. So we also train people that want to go into bridal accessories, like those that would like to, to be making bridal accessories for brides, like bouquets, hand fans, veils, bridal sash, etc. We also make beads here at Taron Innovative. Also, if you also want to enroll in bead making, we are also here. So we make traditional beads, we make different types of beads. All right, we're also into millinery service, that is the making of ladies caps, like Zara caps, turban caps, auto gelees, headbands, fascinators, and lots more. So you can enroll in any of these. Also, we teach throw pillow making. Yes, we teach how to make throw pillows, okay, and duvets. So if you want to enroll in any of this of our courses, you can let me know. Chat me up on WhatsApp. We also make tote bags. Okay guys, so I'll be expecting to hear from you. Taron Innovative World is the best. So let's do business together. You can just, like this lady you're seeing here, she's from another part of Plateau State. Okay, she had to leave a local government, very far distance to come and learn from us here. So let's improve your life. Yeah, let's impact your life. Thank you. Bye for now.